na di otoko si ni fie no mako che no se watokro no de na national security mo so fa so ne sen
what you say ya to amana obekọ no wahwehwe bibia why the due diligence sa
Rollins ameye sa di ni bi
Shatta Wale so we say EOCO for no also NDC abana also mo tata wo mo mabobra o Ghana
enti eye enra ana EOCO boss Raymond Archer ene National Security Council eco ready Shatta Wale fie na the Lamborghini no yellow one no o mo kwatamo ye ni na say eye stolen car Emma Adiwe about trend ni mu na Afia Schwar Saddick Adams any other TikTokers any other journalists I join the conversation we buza question say mo say car eye stolen car eye den na etimi free America ebeduru Ghana a afia na FBI for abase omba be Shatta Wale ejene Afia Schwar Saddick Adams oma fire EOCO boss any FBI mema wonchire mu no akire wadwen ema me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media mess was any demo obe like video no other my boss subscribe button snap back click bell notification for latest updates na be kire wadwen dia mama e wo comment section mess was obaso no a video for so enya bi ahwe enti no ho yen ka mi je won se Shatta Wale aba Facebook na o make some set of post and the post to make na edika kirem say Raymond Archer edi tuo abani fie oni EOCO for the tuo aba no ho no ma je oba mba ye no nyansa bia nim no ahwe ya de Raymond Archer eye no e the NDC ebeko opposition and was make another post or try say Mahama no kwa no ma Raymond Archer position as EOCO boss kwa no ono no on for power on for to me e humiliate amanfo nti adenti na Raymond Archer e de EOCO boss no e intimidate amanfo eti later ana Raymond Archer EOCO boss eso e de president with aba mantana o chirem post na Shatta Wale eye no ne pompon so de ejina so anyina fa Shatta Wale the Lamborghini yellow one no what say eno ana say FBI for a Tracy car from USA aba Ghana omo ze car no Trasako ene ne ombo EOCO for amane say ye hu say ye car bi ayira as o match one Nana Kwame Amoa e wa America no ma sentence to 86 months imprisonment o ma one sentence enye man you know wa bupo kro no to a sum of $4.7 million am match no America no mu Tracy ne man bi no once the man no o wi an wa tonton aba Africa hanom ene we hear say Lamborghini yellow one bi no wa ton ma Shatta Wale to ma EOCO for ekwoche Shatta Wale eche car no free nsem e de koma so eti EOCO for etire mu e ma Ghana for etias later ana Wale se ba TikTok live and also be chire ni nsi be kan na kosem ekeka be chire EOCO for pen was na maje car na eye mi hiamo mfie car mo mfa mi ma ho no mi hiamo what I say
God I don't even know who shipped this car to the country. I don't know who shipped this car to the country. I told you that, but I am a third party to the car. So if you are telling me that the car is for Dubai, I don't know, because the car I buy am $150,000. Oh, Charlie. You see, after this thing, Raymond Archer, I will leave the car for you people. Don't come to my house. Don't come to my house. Make nobody say they invite me. That boy, I buy new Lamborghini. My music, they want a tire. Where this country, did they do me for here? One day, me too, I go wake up, Me too, I go wake up. And we go chop president for this country. One day. Oh, after this matter, Raymond Archer, after this matter, I leave this matter for you. Don't even try and say they invite me. Like, but go be Yama for Ghana. Because this car matter, when they talk about, and you did, I'm okay. For the office, the things you tell me, and listen, that was I say, you see what I talk? I take my time, make people get the points. The first one I say what? He say if Edu Boy they go down, somebody way they go cut, how come they go down? Edu Boy they go down. So if I know say I won't go down with them, make I tell them. Apart from that, then you come to tell me say the car, if I like, if I'm not taking you could take me and the car all give FBI because the car, listen. Raymond Archer told me in his office that the car they shoot somebody for inside, but I know that was I don't know. And bro, that is what scared me.
Now, if you Schwar any Saddick Adams, any other communicators, almost has seen it, don't see there be. Emra, EOCO, any FBI, any Shatta Wale air camp, and to us in the first place, car no most say a stolen car. Yes, she put for America ne buy. In America, despite mo security nemo surveillance then that didn't know. Yes, she put car no ya can papers any be ade about him hunu. Eye den afia bedru Ghana hanom no. Ana mo be ye de say car that say wale e kwa tam carry do two for awie mu ene ba Ghana. In fact, Afia Schwar Saddick Adams any other TikTokers abe fire FBI any EOCO.
Rollins ha me yes ha di ni bi. Mate enra director CID. E kan say cars sembi e kodjo Kumase Accra Sunyan Temale Krum hankofo a edili eye importers no mdo so pa o. Ba manfo mioma no wo ho a NDC o ma enya sa record ni say ye ton cars na yakwachiche nkofo cars ye the 2 minimum wa ye protect and land and nipa protect humans and property life and property but mo de 2 minimum some de be protect foreigners a it's up to Monkasa mo hu say obi eni ho CID my friends Lydia and I'm who's Lydia your press conference
and also why there
na some come just say Lydia ma onye to say near mami ti wa be na no ntimi ntena Ghana wakotena bruchiri no so what I say yenye no post mu so no ankasa ne ya wo be show ye wo your friend say your friend say Yoko no onu ankasa on feel comfortable say oni police adwuma ko nu kra be ye adwuma.
Oh,
so what I say obi etu kwan ya za on utu kwan ya enye say na me etu ya oka ni wetu kwan ye ma wa ban adwuma o ye adwuma ye ne ye pa ena obi ahwe so atimi aka ekrom ha no bibia be ye bi enipa be ye din no enye wo say wa wi o because kwadwo ye wo into business nti ye hu niam ye tensem madawroma nti yetimi ba ha be kasa nkofo ma ye messages so what I say MPP kufuo ba na ode sa nioma we ba kufuo ne Canada ne America for ko sign sa contract me say ka bi wura krom ha ye mefa nko na kwadwo terminal 2 na nado ne ko sign terminal 2 hwe krono abrofu idi Ghana nioma fa ho eko we keep quiet obi etua duty a de ne ko season ka munim say monye system a ebebezi say no obi we watua duty anaka e mo hu say stolen car dia mama ni ntua duty kra abrofuru twam airport habo kra yetimi hu niam e wo ye mu nyina enti o mu ni machine setimi edit say no car we ye ma mfenhye container mu na mo twen ama nipa no ehyepo ade no enkofu ewia cars be krom he abrofu me kan na say enye we enye blacks abrofu na nkasa tua insurance a no ma sanko no ma sign dey o ma wia dia ko ba bibifo na to aka say car no wo ma shipu wi o ma report mixing and sign o ma dey o ma di o ma koji musika e insurance for no enti ade na brofo no mo stop wo mo ho say no mo nya vigilant say ya maka ama with that say car na e kosha container nya say she bag mu when na wo beti aka chem say onu anka say mu kra no twam wo scan mu a o mu hu wo yam niam nina be car na e ba dia mu na African kwana obi akobo besia no watua wa shipo car no wato obi ho ntu kwan da obi ho otefaako metimi atena ha na ma shipo ne mama tua na ma shipo ne de ahye container mi na ba enipa no be de hu se on de watua sika for bank ya to ade ama no obe de hu se we ye story ana we nye story so far as okita ne receipt ana so okita ne title eye den ena niema na beduru ha na nka munim se ma check wo airport wo habo ho mu se ka we ye story ntino ye maka no enkwa abontin na eni ye ma ntua duty ni kra na ma twene ni pani tua duty ni wi a na ma fa car ne say ye return car na we wo mra car ne so ba bi afiri ba no ewi ase technology na omu ne kita omu why life and property na mo ko science mo gitumi na ene metimi a che omu de saade na omu de start no NDC omu ni sa record no ti omu hwe ni ye so omu sua MPP niema na omu ye na edi semadi nkan ka jo say politicians omu nsua de omu so omu fasa mo nche enuma na MPP ye na amanfo kan na omu fin se tititintin no so omu be ye saade we bia so omu tena ho Lydia udin ye de o ye no na tena tesa no ha wo na be so say kwam despite no be see tesa no police station ma ye enti wo de say ye no tie no Lydia don't go I mean oh yeah very good madam Fufachi Kumi regional crime ni nipa no nti omu mienu de omu ko offense omu ko offense winiba na me kosra omu na the way Lydia osibu ade no say ni oye good na me nwa say obefa mamti wa suban ya oye yi bia
e ma we o de say stolen cars ni rem
me chese abrofo de ne su amkwan say yen ye pe technology ho de agye I no mo stop wo
to be track cars no
that's it
because cars they pass you through system
we are smart unim time 1957 yen gi independence na no na abrofo e smart dada unim time abrofo nya technology me sit down me kodu Japan me hwade sa mama me ni so mu say Alex yen kwa nam so ma me hwe kakra ba bia me firi wa ye the airport na kosi e poso and na light say there unim time abrofo start technology mo tena ho na obi ye wiam firi ho ne beduru ha na maka say mo te ha say mo makosan agi to me say life and property no mo de life and property to me na de amam no mo de esevu your friend say foreigners na timamufo no eti ho no makobo bank besia no mo de akra niema no makobo bank besia no mo de atu duty na mama nkofo na basco zero ba me de me hu imanifi kakra na NDC no omo nye sade we bi da be se fe no mo susu MP before na be affect you. I'm telling you kojo
that's your police in the you
na police no on the onya Ghana ni ana anya onya adentina oba na yan man your order the dance you aban change a bibia change aban necessary na your policy ne de adwuma sisi a
so the president should intervene ombrem
na hwan na si wonim na de an obi beye okrom ha wo kura so information na president a system regional obi report ba no national security EOCO soldier police hwan na de na say be koso as president onim e okrom ha wan hwe ni ya e be affect no nti on hwe ni me de me ka kire no on betimi aye me on be so mo ye bet there's a time will come. I'm telling you
na di otoko si ni fie no mako che no se watokro no de na national security mo so fa so ne say aya then na customs etimi clear stolen car e ma ne ba krom me pa cho how many car factories and your Ghana 95% of the cars in Ghana are all second-hand cars, imported. But no, this is Raymond Archer's antics. Raymond Archer, in his wisdom, EOCO box, in his wisdom, is people. This is what I'm about to tell you. Yet they say, Chairman to me. It was stolen car. And no dear. Me cry them me find some politics and yamasam. Ya wana EOCO for actual letter sent to me kwa to agree that sorry nim. I sorry dino e die na ye tia Ghana. Ya fanton chen. Anra makwachi Shatta Wale. Lamborghini we use it for 1 year. A stolen car. Mudru ya no mo ka kira ne say wan kwabo me kwakwan me refinidi. Wan kwabo ko abidi. Such and one that the car the man now one channel baby the cast war. Now you people want to nail the guy. If you people want to nail anybody, what goddamn business has it got to do with the musician? Now me pa chow mupe stolen cars. Now what is the executive fan club we go? I'm gonna walk cars I can see. I'm gonna walk cars I can see. If you fucking want to nail somebody and you don't have anything to nail the person, Remanacha, leave that goddamn motherfucker to go. Leave him alone. Leave the fuck of that man fucking alone. If you people want to nail him, and you fucking don't have anything to nail him, leave that motherfucker alone. You are making NDC so unpopular. NDC is looking so childish and foolish. Samorana, national security or someone high na mubo ni dino. Muni hiam de bayana, munya no manen ko. Munya no manen ko. Na munya is stupid witch hunting. And a car we one dia. And a car we one dia, and a car we one dia, and a chinchilla for casse, brown and a tomao, and a dear. I fall at Tom dia brown. Such a stolen car man on Fabra. Said you would be a boat. Ever troll Shatta Wale whose statement so. Happy I fall at Tom the buyer say Shatta Wale Lamborghini no, and the police Interpol wanted list no. We fucking want to see it. As a country, we want to see it. We fucking want to see it. You cannot use anybody as a weapon to which hands any politician. Ah? Now, okay. Now, that's it. Watch it. Chairman won't to me. No. Remonacha si won't to me car. Stolen car. Yet one of the catcher me say, me am a president, evangelist Mama Pat at Glasgow. EOCO for so more to na sorry demo. On my mention the source of D&D. And ra. Me am a bad junior to the baby a more quack channel. Send a car. Stolen car. Nancy, Remonacha EOCO for moon Sir James and John, or we are stolen children. Ah, me real woman for Ibrahim, Ama, or Mumajo woman come out. Eh? Remonacha, one more shot the young smiles every day, dear. And the James and John be real woman Ibrahim, or we are stolen children. Oh, my father come out, Papa. Moya must see Jimmy, Galam say for police for ye kidnapping nipa, the young swam number quack. Would Jimmy when you that
Timmy talk car area. Oh, massa. Ha, and the money with the face him run. What talk crown one day? What is that crown for now? Yabotre. Ebiana. Yes, or more be beer. Why you release the EOCO about the concrete? I just meant. Ebia wakoto ye third party awakoto. Unim say bibi enye wakano. What you say? Yato mana. Obekon wahwehwe bibia why the due diligence. Sir. We sure. I bet you basa. Ye will be pasa. And you want to be there. Okoto aponche, ye wi aponche no but ye na badwum. Wahwehwe no nyina. Normally to sani ye to aponche. I say Lamborghini ye who is Shatta Wale Lamborghini for shops. Na the okoto nyina na cameras in so. Also want to shop. Obi na ton no. Honey baby asem ni free na so ye. And wo je ye no nipa ne kuta ne papers. Documents nyina wo twia wo Ghana ha wo de nam ha. And ono kra bia ya transfer twice na ama no. Oko DVA lo koye search ne so nipa ne di le ho. E de ba biem no onye. Di SM on fan huni. Kan ne nam ha kwa no register yo. Ade ya mo kan say am ni yo. Kan de dey. No register. You no register. Shatta nkwa na register ne ka o Ghana.
Me no be since 2020 ne ka on register up to now.
Shatta onu nkwa na. Sa onu nkwa na otwika register. Ade ne de eche ne ya che ne resenti na ama na ba. Enye sa ade a boni be no waye. Se ka no de musif be 43. And they stolen work, Krumha. I see a maker say no more. Omaji Castle Dibia 2022, or more than 100 cars. Ajiko. They call Canada, Mount for we are on the buy. Emra Range Rover Sport in the bar for front. Me, maybe. Or the Mafua could turn the bag on. I brought from the Beijing, you know, I'm a general say, a crown of us with me, and better tell about what you Enti
Shatta Wale sa fe de Ghana for mo de nti a chagrada on sagrada anchie no enye sika gale na se asori de mu bi nti no mu che no nti na EOCO frɛ no Shatta Wale so on se EOCO fo no on se NDC abana on se mo tata wo mo mabobra o Ghana on ba so mo show bi abra bom sa fe de ma tia se de nti a chagrada mo bi ntina ono mo de bibi atagi agrada se sika gare agrada no e konfo no na John Mama president muti na agrada e konfo na John Mama president ada na agrada John Mama ban na ne EOCO akwachi agrada ade na kotum omba se obi bia wa bobra Ghana bia tia na ye chicha ma utumi na moni age chama utumi abobra NDC for galamsey se chama utumi ye galamsey kromu so ye galamsey ba omo ba chicha ma utumi na moni age chama utumi e wo gold money enso mu nyina ma ka bi o chama utumi se so wonya sika ye mra na se on se Shatta Wale on se dua buba koku a on se bia buaba on se NDC dua na bi buaba on se o sori na o kasete na do da koku fara o sori na o ya on se wo ye NDC ni o sori ya MPP tam na wo yi case wo nyina wo case akese wo yi ya musa hwe ye mpo ye challenge wo mu de sa respect ni ma se wo ye celebrity wo ye musician ye mom NDC so mo ye reset nti reset no bia kan akra che kan no tum na ja dede na wo ya na no abetra wan di John Mama jam who say presi John Mama ni Ibrahim Mama na mo se Ghana se hwe na brabo ma e ba so e kronfo opomra na me mo ni dua se ni nua Mama be president na Ibrahim Mama no wa iskani na Ibrahim Mama no wa iskani Mama be president Ibrahim Mama no okuta private jet and we bia nwuma kase Mama oya fast president Ibrahim mama nkuta adwuma kese bia sa enye din sa ogano Ibrahim mama ne onu na efhele ba mama baba no so hwe bia brabom na me se wo si bia mu makoko ebubo na the NDC for yer mani achi yes na same jamfemu no omo gu akire no omo mo breyie na aban fofo bi pa nye hwe ma brabom gold board ne wan wan ehu sesika bi anyana de a na omo so na omo di Ghana ska wo yer NDC na wo di Ghana ska enyo adwen se Ghana ye modie wo ene monye ma adwen se by force mo bakuta power e Ghana for ne to ba Ghana for na be fight mo back e ka kire mo ukuro na be fight mo back nti Shatta Wale ubejira wa your video no say o woni jama makasa Ibrahim mama kasa oni NDC big man fo nyina kasa omomo say no o Shatta Wale say no de wuro mu na e be serve country no yate asia kwa se me ka kire wo NDC na wudi akire no e be kakra wan hwe kura enipa be po no na je say wo ye street boy boys po asem wo obi a wo ye street musician wo boys any girls ebi one PP ebi one NDC o pese you anim ya one NDC ni just because we yankrani the yankran for pe wo pe the yankran for pe wo pe na o nyom yankran for na peja o Shatta Wale e tora bi na o president asante for na ya na o ya smart o nyom no shatta no asante for na peja wo akanfo no e na peja wo sometimes no ya na wo ye ho a yankran for no ma timi a hype o mo hype enko and so person we won say yes e to be a smart say do be ado mbo kumase for stars no won say we do mbo kumase for stars na o mbe peja we kase sa na che and yes kumase for stars o na Ghana asantefo no sa na mo tie o mo pia o mo peja won say da be video as o kasa presi o tu for won say na wo ji boom sa na asantefo tu mi ti na wo ye boom o de opa akwache o tu for one day pe na hwe de wo Shatta Wale o mbe si awo Sano muti. The same time we are smart. Name on politics na. Would the NDC for you? If you back NDC for be back out. Who says so, Mama? I feel now. Shout out to the ex-president to be a welcome. What do you mean, Modi? A kufuado. Or the way na or the way you Ghana property. But wo betra one was so camera. Now fuck off. That's how you campaign. You was a work cassette MPP. Who cassette your banner to son. Sorry. Then this is one to us. MPP for we saw your breath for. The answer is but this no. Because MPP about who can set your president. One crocutu also. Who police in the class. Shatta Wale to me police in there. Ya me crocutu also. Yes, a baby man dead team. Any police for the Kasai. A man dead team in Ghana. And case Jeru. One cocoa to do. Kevin tell about it. Yan crocutu on so. Shatta Wale. But what you Ghana now also so close. Ya crocutu also. Because I say you're crying for. You go and master. For the first time, we video now, a shame to you. Oh, my good master, some come, oh, my good master. Shatta, what you kafra, what? And you kafra. Next time, I can make sure that. But what is Shatta me about?
Ubeta Charawa Jone Amame, our comment section. I hype in Media. Background.